Hello everybody, this is Iolanthe, nickname Io from Optimum Ergo. Today I am going to talk about postures and ergonomics and why they need to be done together, not separately, in order to have a good injury prevention MSD reduction program. First of all, ergonomics is of the utmost importance. You cannot have a good posture without having good ergonomics. That's just fact. You can't have somebody's workstation set up, simple example of a shelf. If, let's say, they always have to put something up on this high shelf. So no matter what you teach them about warming up and postures and all these things, they're always going to be overhead reaching, even though, hey, we're supposed to do our lifting between shoulders and hips or thigh height in that power zone. But the place they have to work at is always up here or down very low. So they're going to be at risk for poor postures based on the ergonomic setup of their workstation. That's just an easy example. So you must do the ergonomic assessment and make those corrections to have the best possible scenario to promote good working conditions. That being said, you still need to teach the employee about postures, about risky postures, about proper movement of their body, how to warm up, because people have their own habits. We're not working with kids, we're working with adults of varying ages. The workforce is aging, and we all come from different backgrounds. Some of us may have been athletes and already this comes naturally. Some of us may have not. Maybe we played a musical instrument, maybe all these other different factors. Maybe you have a pre-existing condition of maybe you're getting older and you have stenosis, so your spine is starting to change to accommodate that pain. Maybe you've had a shoulder injury, so your shoulder doesn't go as high, so you're going to compensate. So it's important that you do the ergonomic correction to enable a good posture. Then, so let's say we've moved that shelf where it's down at the right height for that person, but you must also teach them about proper lifting, proper postures, proper motion, proper warm-up. And it's not just a stretching warm-up. It should be dynamic motion, get the blood flow going. Quick stretches during the day, fine. At the end of the day, great time to do a stretch. But get your body warmed up, but also understanding postures, how to move. Do we lift that box and twist it over here? Do we take it like this repeatedly? That person's gonna have a major back injury. Lifting and twisting, one of the number one ways to get a herniated disc in your spine. So you should learn to move as one when you do that, but also teaching them the proper way to do these things, because we can have the ergonomic shelf. Let's say everything is perfectly set up, right height, to do their job properly, but the person doesn't know what they're supposed to do with their body. So instead of coming up to the shelf and putting it on the shelf, they do this. And they bend at their back, they overreach, which increases forces on the spine because weight increases with the leverage of the arm coming away from your body. So it's important to do both. Get in there, do the ergonomic assessment, or even an analysis of the whole workplace, just to give people an idea where issues are so they can make the corrections, educate people on what needs to be done. Then get the employees on board. Well, they'll be on board with the ergonomic side of things too, because they do that job. If you do it properly, you talk to them, get their input, because the employee knows usually what's going on with their job. So educate people on their own body, what to do with it, how to use proper positions, how to warm up, and then they can take that knowledge and apply it to their good ergonomic setup. So that's my thought of the day. Ergonomics and postures must be done together, because separately they are not effective. This is Io from Optimum Ergo. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for listening.